approving of ceremony is stronger, Filipino youth for a stronger future of the New Philippines. So I think New Philippines because, long time ago, we are only, people are enclosed to only one career. You need to choose one career and give up the rest. But now we can do so much more. So if you have like lots of talents and skills, you have talents in writing, you have talents in painting, arts, you can have so much career, right? So for starting point, I want each of you to think, what's your starting point right now? Are you like, my starting point looks like this. When I was in high school, I was a poor student. I am an adopted child. So, in-adopt na kami, and both my parents, my adopted parents, they're actually a driver. My mom, adopted mom, she was 60 years old at that time when I was in high school, and then nag-drive pa siya sa sikat just to, raise us and give us a good education. So that's why all the teachers actually here in our school helped us a lot. Yeah, it's like Mama Mon, Mom Benji, Mom Dixicario, who actually paid for my prom. So actually, I am so thankful for all the teachers here. So I owe everything that I have right now to them because they helped me a lot. So that was my starting point. I was like an adopted child. I was poor, and there's no way I could go to college. Okay? We don't have money for that. So starting from that, I realized I need to work hard for my scholarships to college. And luckily, with the help of our teachers, Mom Margie Gregorius, she helped me get a scholarship. And we had multiple scholarships when we went to college, so I was so happy about that. And yeah, so that's it. So also, now that you know your starting point, think about your destination. Ano yung destination niyo? Do you want to be successful in life? Do you want to be a painter? Do you want to be an artist? Or do you want to be an entrepreneur? Or accountant, doctors? Think of your destination. Actually, when I was in high school, my destination is just to give back to my parents. Because they actually gave us a lot. So they sacrificed a lot for us. So I just want to, give back to them. My lado ko sila, we can eat food and everything that we need is there. So that was my destination. So if you know your destination, you know where you're going. That's all that. And also, life is a race. No, not life. Life is not a race. Life is a journey. So sometimes we might get lost. You know what? I studied accountancy in college, and I am not an accountant right now, as you know. I am an author, a ghostwriter, entrepreneur, and content creator. So I am not an accountant. So I may say that I got lost, diba, when I was in college, but it's fine because life is a journey. So minsan you will get lost, but it's up to you how you learn from it. So along the way, even though you get lost, get some learnings because you will use those learnings in life. So even though I studied accountancy in college and I did not become an accountant, at least I used those entrepreneurial skills and accounting skills to start up or put up my own business, which is like teaching and ghostwriting business. So I was happy about that. So ganun din sa inyo guys. If you get lost, just learn from things and then use it in your life. So more to get lost. I actually got pregnant when I was in third year college. So hindi ko natapos yung accountancy. So it was a setback, but I think it was a redirection because I actually found my passion that I am actually more on teaching and writing. So yun yung passion ko, yung pagsusulat and yung pag-teach. And because of that, right now, I'm already an author and a writer. We are ghostwriting, and I have a ghostwriting business, and also I have a teaching business. So it's fun, it's good. So if you have passion, why don't you give up the passion now? Because your passion can give you success in life. For example, Gayadam, right? She can write, she can also draw, and many of you also can do a lot of skills, and you have a lot of talent. So I know that you guys will be successful in life. And in the New Philippines, you can be so much more. That's all. Thank you so much and have a great day. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye-bye.